Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit audio in CapCut, from adding, trimming, and also splitting the audio. So first, I'm gonna show you how you can add music. The first thing that you need to do is, of course, add the video and then go to the audio menu at the bottom. Click on sound. And in here, if you want to add a music from your library, click on this folder icon and then click on from device. Then just find the audio that you want to add. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this one. Okay, if you want to split or trim, what you need to do is just click on the audio file and just drag this white box at the end to trim it like this. For example, you want to trim the beginning of the audio like this, just drag it to the right. But if you want to split, just go to where you want. For example, I want to split at the end of the video. Click on the audio and you can see there's a split option at the bottom. Click on that and you can delete the rest of the audio. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks button. Bye!